Welcome back to another edition of Tips and Tricks for Analyst Notebook. My name is Tim. I'm with Total Intelligence Group, and today we are going to go over inserting a picture for the entity. Instead of having to use the generic entity icon that you see on the screen, you can insert whether you have a mugshot, maybe someone gave you a family photo for that person. You can insert them here into I2, and you can see them on your link diagram. So for Mr. Malcolm Jones, I do have a mugshot. So the easiest way to import this is double click on our entity and come down here to picture. So you have the items property, cards, and style folders. Underneath the style folders is picture. And go ahead and just click the browse button. Again, you're going to have to go to where your picture is stored. In this case, it popped up to exactly where mine was at. So there's my mugshot of Mr. Malcolm Jones. If I go ahead and open it, it's now going to show me a picture preview. Now, if Mr. Jones is the subject of this link diagram or is very important in my link diagram, I can choose how big he is on the screen underneath enlargement, okay, or I can come over here to the custom slide. I can make him as small or as large as I want. Once you have the size set that you would like, go ahead and click OK. And now, instead of the generic entity icon you see, you now have a picture of Mr. Malcolm Jones in his mugshot. Thank you again for tuning in to Tips and Tricks for Analyst Notebook. My name is Tim. I'm with Total Intelligence Group. You guys have a great day.